Am I the only one that didn't know what life on an oil rig is really like? It's a world that's often out of sight and out of mind for most of us, but it's a fascinating and complex environment that deserves a closer look. Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you. From the moment the sun rises over the vast expanse of the ocean, the oil rig comes to life with activity and purpose. From sunrise to sunset, oil rig workers have one of the most demanding yet thrilling jobs out there. These men and women are the backbone of the energy industry, working tirelessly to ensure that the world keeps turning. These modern-day adventurers live and work on floating cities miles away from shore. First up, the commute. It's not your typical drive to the office. Forget bumper-to-bumper traffic. These folks get to work via helicopter. The journey itself is an adventure, offering stunning aerial views of the ocean and the rig. And once they're on board, it's all about teamwork and safety. Every day starts with a team meeting to discuss the tasks ahead and review safety protocols. Safety protocols are top priority to ensure everyone returns home in one piece. Rig workers undergo rigorous training to handle any situation that might arise. Now, imagine working 12-hour shifts in the middle of the ocean. The view? Breathtaking. The work? Intense. The ocean stretches out endlessly, a constant reminder of the isolation and the beauty of their workplace. From drilling for oil to maintaining equipment, every task is critical. Each worker has a specific role, and their expertise ensures the smooth operation of the rig. But it's not all work and no play. Despite the demanding schedule, there's always time to relax and recharge. Oil rigs are equipped with gyms, movie rooms, and even gaming areas to keep spirits high. These facilities provide much-needed downtime and help maintain morale. After a long day, workers can unwind, connect with their crew, and get ready to do it all over again. Curious about the food? It's another aspect that might surprise you. Think of it like living in a five-star cafeteria. The chefs on board prepare a variety of meals to cater to the diverse tastes of the crew. With chefs preparing meals around the clock, no one goes hungry on an oil rig. The quality and variety of the food help keep the crew energized and satisfied. So there you have it. A day in the life of an oil rig worker is filled with hard work, camaraderie, and a unique sense of adventure. A glimpse into the challenging yet rewarding life of oil rig workers. These individuals are not just workers. They are a family, supporting each other through the highs and lows. Next time you see an oil rig on the horizon, you'll know there's a crew of dedicated individuals keeping the energy flowing. Thanks for watching. And remember, behind every drop of oil, there's a story of hard work and dedication.